No, a quite significant development in Jamaican inter-COVID sports took place over the weekend. A track and field meet featuring both junior and senior athletes. With all the necessary COVID protocols, and from all the reports within reason, the meet went well. And my assumption is that the Ministry of Health, via the Ministry of Sport, gave the green light for this meet to take place. Athletes actually competing on the track in and of itself is symbolically important to the wider cause, and basically rubbishes the notion that no sports can play in Jamaica because of the COVID pandemic. The fact that some smart thinking, hard-working track and field people put a template together and convinced the authorities to give it a try represents the kind of leadership that has been woefully missing from the wider sports fraternity since the pandemic hit. It is still obviously work in progress, but is a positive step towards getting athletics going and towards the push for at least the phased and partial resumption of the wider sports industry. A sport like football, for example, instead of pushing so hard for the resumption of the full Premier League, maybe they should start with some kind of tournament or mini tournament just to break the ice and then take it from there.